This is AB Oni Ada, the Secretary of Ruzu Holistic Healthcare Limited. This is me wishing all the customers and Nigerians worldwide a happy Easter celebration. Ciao, ciao.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sangulu. I'm the registrar and the consultant in Ruzu Holistic Care Limited. I treat different kinds of conditions, and I want to wish our customers a very wonderful Easter celebration.
Hi, Consultant Adamu. Wish everybody happy Easter celebrations from Ruzu Holistic Healthcare Center.
I, Comrade McDonald Ogochukwu Azuju, Head Logistics, Ruzu Holistic Healthcare Center, wishing Nigerians and our esteemed customers happy Easter celebration.
Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Robert Onyemaichi Ozo, the MD, Ruzu Holistic Healthcare Limited and Ruzu Herbal Products and Services Limited. Wishing you the best of sacrifice of our Lord Jesus Christ. Happy Easter celebration to all our esteemed dealers, distributors, customers, Nigerians, and people all over the world.